Okay, y'all. So I'm back in the garden today really quick before I have to go to work today. It's Friday. What's today's date, Mama? You know? Anyway, I'll put the date on the bottom of the screen so that y'all can kind of keep up with what's going on. But anyway, it's Friday. And I'm still a nurse, so I do still work. Yeah, gotta work. Okay. So I went to Walmart and bought this sprayer because what I decided was that maybe I should kill the grass and see if it'll be easier to till after that. I do know that once you put vinegar in the ground, you do have to have it rinse off for a while, so give it like a week or so because it can be toxic toward the plants if it's too strong. So what I'm gonna do is do half vinegar, half water in this bad boy, and then gonna spray the ground and see if that will maybe kill the root system and the weeds so it won't be so hard to till up. I'm just winging it, y'all, so we're just gonna see if this is gonna work. Okay. All right. Put that in. Put the vinegar in first. So according to how much vinegar you put in there, that's how much water you're gonna stick in. All right. So food grade vinegar from Walmart. This is 2 gallons, and I think this is 1 gallon. Perfect. So one of these is half of the, because I got a 2-gallon sprayer, so that worked out perfect. So half of this, and then fill the rest up with water. Oh. Okay, where's the top? I'm just gonna have to clip some of this and make it look decent. All right. Well, there's a little dirt in there. All right. So then this comes up, and then you just pump it. Put a little pressure in there, and should be good to go. Why is it not spraying? All right, mommy, we gotta figure out why it's not spraying. All right, so okay, so for a second we thought it wasn't working, but I guess I went above the fill line, so it wasn't enough air to pressurize in there. It kept leaking out, but it does work. Okay, so I'm just gonna utilize whatever I got in there until it goes back down. I just have to keep pumping it, so just pump it. And then see, it works. It'll work. All right, so let's kill this grass. So yeah, you know, I couldn't go a day without putting something in the ground. I was supposed to have planted yesterday and I just had a lot of things to do. So today I decided, I bought this elephant garlic from Walmart. And so I decided I'm just gonna plant some cloves today in my raised bed. And y'all, okay, there's a little bitty thing right there. Y'all, this garlic gets so big. So I'm just gonna plant them on the ends of each of my raised beds. I'm just gonna plant right there. All right. And this will also help with pest deterrent. Oops. Let's not get all that dirty. I was told you're supposed to leave some of the skin on so that it doesn't get molded. I guess I'll plant this little one. Okay. That one doesn't look too hot, so we're not gonna plant that one. This one feels a little soft, so I probably won't plant that one either. We'll get this one in there. All right, and then I got, what, 2 more? Why not? Well, that one feels soft, so I don't think that one's good. So I got 1 more. So I guess I could just plant this one at the back of this one. I just had to get out here and plant something, y'all. I just had to. All right, so at least I know I have 3 in this one, and then 2 in each one. These are trash because they're like soft and moldy, so they're not good. You don't want to plant those. And then I have another clove at the house, and I'll just plant it with the rest of the garlic and seeds that I have at home, and yeah, let it grow up. So thank y'all for watching today. This is a quick little snippet, and now I gotta go to work. Okay, bye.